Affordable keyboards for typing enthusiasts on a budget. Title: Affordable keyboards for typing enthusiasts on a budget. Introduction. In this digital era, where typing has become an integral part of our daily lives, having a reliable keyboard is essential. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply enjoy spending time typing away, finding an affordable keyboard that offers both comfort and functionality is crucial. This article aims to help typing enthusiasts on a budget in their search for affordable keyboards that don't compromise on quality. 1. Mechanical keyboards. Mechanical keyboards are known for their tactile feedback and durability. While they are often considered premium, some affordable options are available for typing enthusiasts. 2. Membrane keyboards. For typing enthusiasts on a tighter budget, membrane keyboards are worth considering. Although they lack the mechanical switch's tactile response, they are generally quieter and more affordable. Regarded brands like Logitech, HP, and Dell offer a range of membrane keyboards with features like backlit keys and multimedia shortcuts, making them suitable for both work and leisure. 3. Compact keyboards. Compact keyboards, also known as 60% keyboards, offer a space-saving solution without sacrificing typing efficiency. These keyboards eliminate the number pad and function row, resulting in a smaller form factor ideal for users who need portability or want to optimize desk space. Brands like Dreva, RK Royal Kluge, and Happy Hacking Keyboard offer affordable compact keyboards, catering to typing enthusiasts who value efficiency and convenience. 4. Wireless and Bluetooth keyboards. If the freedom of a wireless experience is a top priority, wireless and Bluetooth keyboards are worth considering. Gone are the days of struggling with tangled wires and limited desk maneuverability. Brands like Microsoft, Logitech, and Jellycomb offer affordable wireless and Bluetooth keyboards with reliable connectivity, long battery life, and ergonomic designs. Whether you're typing from a distance or looking for a clutter-free workspace, these keyboards offer a convenient, affordable solution. 5. Ergonomic keyboards. Typing for extended periods can strain the wrists and lead to discomfort or even repetitive strain injuries, RSI. In such cases, investing in an ergonomic keyboard can be a wise choice. While most ergonomic keyboards are considered high-end, brands such as Perix, Microsoft, and Adesso offer affordable ergonomic options. These keyboards feature split designs, adjustable angles, and wrist rests, promoting a more comfortable and ergonomic typing experience. 6. Backlit keyboards. For typing enthusiasts who often find themselves working or gaming in low-light conditions, backlit keyboards can be a game-changer. Backlit keyboards feature illuminated keys, offering better visibility and a pleasant aesthetic. Brands like Havit, Red Dragon, and E-Element offer affordable backlit keyboards with customizable lighting effects, catering to the needs of both productivity-focused use RS and gamers on a budget. 7. 10-keyless keyboards. 10-keyless keyboards, also known as TKL keyboards, are another budget-friendly option for typing enthusiasts. These keyboards eliminate the number pad section, providing a more compact design without sacrificing typing functionality. Brands like Cooler Master, HyperX, and Razer offer affordable TKL keyboards that still retain essential features like customizable RGB lighting, durable construction, and responsive key switches. 8. Gaming keyboards. For typing enthusiasts who also enjoy gaming, gaming keyboards offer a unique blend of functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal. While high-end gaming keyboards can be quite expensive, they're Affordable options available for budget-conscious gamers. 9. Silent keyboards. If you have roommates, work in a shared office space, or simply prefer a quieter typing experience, silent keyboards are a great option. These keyboards are designed to minimize the noise generated hand pressing the keys, making them ideal for environments where noise reduction is important. Brands like Jellycomb, Philco, and Leopold offer affordable silent keyboards without compromising typing. Comfort and performance, providing a peaceful and distraction-free typing experience. Brands like Keychron, EagleTech, and Techwear are known for their commitment to providing affordable keyboards with features and performance that rival more expensive options. By considering these brands, typing enthusiasts on a budget can find reliable and cost-effective keyboards that meet their needs. 11. Consider second-hand or refurbished options. If you're on a tight budget and still want to get a quality keyboard, considering second-hand or refurbished options can be a viable solution. Websites like eBay, Craigslist, and even specialized keyboard communities like r/Matchmarket offer a wide variety of used keyboards at discounted prices. While there may be some wear and tear, purchasing from trusted sellers can still provide you with a performing keyboard at a fraction of the original cost. 12. Keyboard accessories. While not directly related to the keyboard itself, investing in keyboard accessories can enhance your typing experience on a budget. Exploring websites like Amazon, AliExpress, and Mechanical Keyboard enthusiast communities can help you find budget-friendly accessories that complement your keyboard choice. 13. RGB keyboards. For typing enthusiasts who enjoy a touch of visual flair, RGB keyboards are a popular choice. These keyboards feature customizable RGB lighting, allowing users to personalize their typing experience with vibrant colors and lighting effects. 14. Mac-compatible keyboards. If you're an avid Mac user, finding a keyboard that is compatible with your device's operating system is essential. Fortunately, there are affordable options available specifically designed for Mac users. Brands like Apple, Logitech, and Anker offer keyboards that feature the Mac layout, function keys, and seamless connectivity with Mac devices. Whether you're typing documents, coding, or simply browsing the web, these Mac-compatible keyboards provide a budget-friendly solution tailored to your specific needs. 15. USB-C keyboards. As technology evolves, USB-C has become the standard for data transfer and charging. If you have a device with USB-C ports, investing in a USB-C keyboard can provide convenience and compatibility. Brands like Keychron, Leopold, and Ducky offer affordable USB-C keyboards that ensure a reliable and fast connection to your devices. With USB-C keyboards, you won't have to worry about carrying multiple cables or adapters, making them a practical choice for typing enthusiasts on a budget. 16. Hot-swappable keyboards. Hot-swappable keyboards are gaining popularity among typing enthusiasts due to their versatility and customization options. These keyboards allow users to change switches without soldering, giving